Hey you, my name is LaQuanda and welcome to TG Customs. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I am doing another large, in my world, group order for a birthday party for a special little boy. So today guys, we will be making this shirt. It says Mommy of the Birthday Monster. And we are making about, I didn't even count it, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22 shirts today. But not really today because this video is actually recorded over a course of 4 days, I think. But yeah, anyways, we're finally done. We're finally done. So I'm doing the intro after I have completed all the shirts because I had to get the shirts done. And I couldn't just start the intro and not be ready for the intro. So the intro is being recorded at the end. But if you guys do want to see the process or join me while I make these 22 shirts, keep on watching. Okay, y'all know the drill though. If you're not subscribed and you're coming back, you might as well go ahead and subscribe now because we're family. Okay? If you're already subscribed, thank you guys for already subscribing and always supporting. And let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Dots are giving me stress. I had to recruit a worker. He's not getting paid, but I had to recruit him to come cut out these dots. Look how professional he's doing it. Oh, no, don't try to do it fast now.
I you don't record me.
Don't try to do it fast now, because he was taking his slow time. On the floor. And now he's throwing paper on the floor instead of putting it in a garbage can. This is crazy.
You just sat on the floor.
Anyways, let's get to work for real. I got to press one shirt, but let me finish the rest of these shirts. Woo. And that is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Here is the shirt for the birthday boy. I'm gonna go ahead and get these packaged up and ready to be picked up. And I hope you guys join me in the next video. Bye.